Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to connect Onn Roku TV to Wi-Fi without remote. Let's go. Use keyboard, wireless or wired. Connect the keyboard to the TV via the USB input. Use arrows. Open Settings. Set up connection. Wireless. Select your network. Enter password. Connect. Now you can connect the Roku remote. Virtual Roku remote. Your phone and your TV must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open Roku app. Select your TV. Use Roku Virtual Remote. That's it. Now you know how to connect Onn Roku TV to Wi-Fi without remote. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.